What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a quick emergency update on the crypto market. And you might ask yourself, well, why is that necessary? Well, the main reason for that is that we just got some big news that matters a lot. Probably to crypto, we're not seeing that much movement yet. We did get a little bit of bearish momentum, as you can see, because of the news. And in this video, I wanted to talk about whether we will actually continue that bearish momentum, or whether there's still hope to get some bullish momentum today at the end of this week. Because as most of you know, usually the end of the week is also a time of a lot of volatility. Institutions, market makers closing their trades. So if they're closing their longs, price dumps. If they're closing their shorts, price goes up. So that is something we have to take into account as well. But we'll talk about that full package. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you check out the pinned comment on the description, you'll first of all find links to my trading signal group in which I share signals. I've been profitable so far, very profitable every week. So if you want to make some profits, become a better trader, check that out. There's also a link to BYBIT, my official partner exchange. Great exchange in my opinion for trading, but also holding cryptos or just buying them. So check them out as well if you're looking for a better exchange with low fees. Now onto the news. So the news we got is the PCE price index and the core PCE price index, which is sort of an inflation rate number. It's one of the main numbers that the Federal Reserve actually looks at when they're determining whether they are going to increase the interest rate or not. Now, after the FOMC minutes, which was on Wednesday, we already kind of accepted the fact that the interest rates are probably going to go up even more. But now it seems to be confirmed. The PCE price index was higher than expected, so you should read that as inflation being higher than expected. Core PCE price index also went up month on month. So that's quite bad. It looks like the inflation will continue. So this might even mean that interest rates actually need to increase for even longer in this year. They said that rate cuts wouldn't be this year. It would, at the very earliest, it would be next year. But now it even seems like right now the interest rate is 5.25. They might even need to increase it to 6% to stop this inflation. So we'll see what that does, but this is bad news. So we see the dollar strength index reacting very positively. That's negatively correlated to Bitcoin as well. So that's why we are reacting relatively bearish. Now, the one little level that's holding us up right now, technically, is this level right here, around 26,300 here. This level, we need to drag it up a bit. That's the main level. Now, I think if this was a normal weekday, what I would have said is that, all right, well, we're going to drop down at least to 25,800 again. All right, so we're going to get that bearish momentum. Now, because it's the end of the week, though, I'm not so sure. Like, for example, this was Friday 2 weeks ago. And then the Friday last week, we also had a lot of volatility. It was even bullish, if you count the Saturday with that. If we're taking a look at this at the Friday before that, again, a bullish day. And then the Friday before that, not such a bullish day, but overall now we're 3 out of 4 in bullish days, right? So it's and the Friday before that bearish. So it's but then we also had a massive crash. So perhaps that's not that reliable. So it's tough to say. I would say it's more likely that we're going to get a drop, all right? But if all of a sudden you see a lot of momentum, like on the 15-minute time frame, if you see something like this, like this, so a move like a big green candle like this, then probably institutional traders and market makers have closed their shorts, which would provide us with some bullish momentum. So that's a possibility, it really is. However, if we're just talking about the technicals and if we're talking about the fundamentals, then it's more likely that we're going to drop. All right, so that's a quick update I wanted to do. If you do have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.